This is the guy we're making. So we have a new Lego Star Wars R2-D2 package, and we're basically just gonna see how fast we can make it. We haven't opened it yet, so we'll see how fast a dad and daughter working as a team can put together an R2 Lego set. Okay, ready to open it?
3, 2, 1,
Let's open the instructions. See how fast we can do this. Hey, you've already guessed some of it? Okay, so you got that part?
You got the parts for me, and I'll put them on. And I'll tell you when it's your turn. You each get to do 5 steps.
There you go.
We each get to do 5 steps, okay, Daddy?
Okay. That one, and that one. And that one.
This is my this is my last step.
I will need this one.
You get to do 5 steps, so you get to do up to 10.
I get to do up to 10?
Yeah.
Okay, so we're here.
And
I need to do this one.
It won't really matter which one. Let me see.
Well, these two are different. Is it the one with the...
It was that one.
One of these ones, eh?
Yeah.
One of these ones?
Yeah. And then I get a tricky part of
Your turn.
tricky.
Step 11.
Okay. This is actually easy. You do that, then where is that?
Right here.
Put it? No, I don't need that yet.
Oh.
See?
Oh, another one of these ones? Or this?
Um,
And what do we do with these?
catch up to me. Wait for me to catch up.
Oh yeah, of course. Yeah, but there's 2 more of these, so we'll make these at the same time as well. So you got that piece.
I'm taking.
There you go.
I'm taking my time.
Yeah, you can take your time if you want. Just so trying to like go so speedy. Come on, really?
Yeah, no.
Oh my gosh.
You were going so fast.
I didn't even pay attention.
You didn't do a step. That's why it's actually sometimes.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh. You start with the other thing. I think I need to move this all to the other side. We both built the same one.
And I'll just start that one. Because I only get to do one.
Yes. Exactly. Okay, I'll hold it while you... There you go, get down. Oh gosh, we pushed way too hard.
No, it's not all the way down.
I know, because now we broke it. Now we set ourselves back. We can't push too hard on it, right? Uh-oh. It's gonna hurt our time, isn't it? Dang it. Oh dear. Well, folks, you're seeing what happened when Daddy doesn't pay attention. Okay, next step. Quick, quick, quick.
Which is the last.
This one, step 16.
And can I do step 17?
We're sure to start working on it right now.
All I need is to have this for 17.
So where does this go? Where does it go on? Like this? And then what? Put it in like this?
So y'all R2-D2 is doing ballet.
So R2-D2 is doing ballet and R2-D2 is done. So it took us how long?
5 minutes.
5 minutes plus some minutes. But we took our time
How much
and did it
minutes
properly.
did it actually take?
It took us about 11 and a half minutes.
Oh, really?
Yes, for the 70 pieces. And we ended up with a pretty cool R2-D2. So I think we did pretty good, Lee.
And we're going to add 2 extras.
And we're going to add extra pieces to them. So this is who we made. See you next time we build Lego.
Ba, 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 ba.